Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a video how you can get approved for a $25,000 upgrade triple rewards Visa card. And with this card, it's a soft pull pre-approval and they do accept lower credit scores. Now, if you're new here on my channel is designed to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, hit your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. And at my website, I give you guys a free hard inquiry removal package because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit. I also have other removal packages at my website for purchase. I always leave that link in the description of the video and the pinned comment section. I just added on my website a new prompt for credit card offers, and many of these are soft pull pre-approvals. I also have some credit builder accounts that is here that you guys can check out, and many of these have no hard inquiries. So this can be an extra resource to help you build your credit. So you will go here on my website and click on credit card offers. You will see a list of credit card offers, including this upgrade triple cash rewards Visa credit card, and you can apply here after you read the terms and conditions of the product. Now, let's jump into this information. Now, with the upgrade triple cash rewards card, you can get 3% cash back on home, auto, and health categories, and 1% cash back on everything else. They also have a $200 bonus when you open a rewards checking plus account and make 3 debit card transactions. There is no annual fee with this card, and credit lines are from $500 to $25,000. Whenever you use your Visa, it's accepted with safe and fast contactless card technology. Now you can get unlimited cash back on payments, 3% cash back on home, auto, healthcare categories, and 1% cash back on everything else. Now, one thing you have to understand about Upgrade, they have hybrid types of cards. So it's not an actual credit card. It is a line of credit mixed with the predictability of having a fixed rate like an installment loan. So what they will do is when you use that line of credit, you have the combination of the flexibility of a credit card with the predictability of a personal loan. And so you can withdraw that line of credit and have money deposited in your bank account because it is accessible to you. Unlike a cash advance from a credit card, you don't have those cash advance fees. Or do you have late fees? You'll have a set fixed rate like an installment loan. And this helps you not get into a ton of debt, where with credit cards, traditionally, the longer you let that payment amount sit or amount owed to sit on your credit report, the more interest that you accumulate, and it's very hard for people to get out of credit card debt. So here's how it works. You get your upgrade card, apply online, and get a credit line from $500 to $25,000 with your upgrade card. Make your purchases or get funds sent to your account and pay down with monthly payments, which is debited directly from your bank account, and get your unlimited cash back. Now, the APR for this card is 14.99% through 29.99%. And when you're applying for this card, it's a soft pull pre-approval, and you need a credit score of 600 and up to qualify. And when they do pull, they will be pulling and checking from TransUnion. Now, keep in mind, if you do the soft pull pre-approval and you decide to go for the card, it will turn into a hard inquiry whether you are approved or not. So it will be a hard hit to your credit profile after you decide to go through with the application. If you do the soft pull pre-approval, whether you are approved or disapproved, it will be a hard inquiry. Now, hopefully this information was helpful. I will leave all the links below. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.